Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So inside this video, let's talk about the new project, XDoge. XDoge, the pre-sale is live. Although coin market cap listing is coming soon, exchange listing is coming soon, even about NFT, although the token pre-sale is live. So we will check the whole thing inside this video, what things we can find inside the project, even about the roadmap, big things are coming soon. Even big things are coming in the future, so we will check about the technomics, even how to participate in the pre-sale. Elon Musk purchased the Twitter. So Elon Musk just support Dogecoin. So I can say this project can be the Twitter Dogecoin because Twitter is going to accept Dogecoin as a payment method. So don't worry because inside this video I have lots of things to share with you. Don't skip any part of the video and now let's get started. So if you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Presale project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates. So make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So welcome to XDoge. This is a new project, a new presale project. Presale stage 1 is already completed. So this is presale stage 2. So unlocking meme coin, Minetrix with XDoge. So join the XDoge Detective Society recording meme coin secrets in style. So this is the token address. Although you can check the presale because the presale is live. Presale stage 1 finally completed. This is the presale stage 2. So you can see 1 BNB is equal to 1.1 billion. So and then we have stage 3, stage 4, stage 5, stage 6. It means that there are 6 stages. So once the presale complete, so we will see the exchange listing. Although coin market cap listing is coming soon because the developers just contact coin market cap in order to list XDoge inside the coin market cap. Of course, CoinGecko listing is also coming soon. So exchange listing is coming soon. Don't forget to purchase the token because in the pre-sale you will get the token at the lower price. Okay, further. In here you can connect your wallet. Make sure to connect your wallet and then just purchase the token. For example, if you want to purchase about 3 BNB, if you want to purchase about 0.1 BNB, 0.5 BNB, so simply click on buy option, get 10% by referring. As you can see, the token name is XDoge, the symbol is XD. So current price 0.6 times 0 is 21. Next price 0.6 times 31. Although the launching price will be 0.5 times 0 is 156. It means that easily you can get huge profit if you purchase the token at the pre-sale. So make sure connect your wallet. You can see in here MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. Make sure connect your wallet and then make sure you have BNB because the project is launched inside Binance Smart Chain. So that's why make sure you have BNB in order to purchase the token. So of course, if you check the Twitter account, make sure to follow it and then click on bell icon. Also, if you check in here, so the presale stage 2 is live. And then if you scroll down, as I told you, coin market cap listing is coming soon. So in here you can see applied for coin market cap listing. So coin market cap listing is coming soon. On that time, you can find the current price, even you can find the market cap, the daily volume, the total supply, even exchange listing a list. Okay, further, if you check in here, XDoge airdrop. Total airdrop pool 12.5 billion. So guaranteed distribution by airdrop detective. Start the airdrop bot. So do the task on the bot and submit your data in here. And then if you click on show more, so you will get further details. In here, make sure to watch the video. So this is how you can participate in the XDoge airdrop. So make sure if you participate in here, you will receive the airdrop of XDoge. So how can I forget about the listing of the token? XDoge listing is confirmed on Coinsbit Exchange. So Coinsbit Exchange is going to list XDoge soon. So big things are coming soon. Big things are coming soon. Make sure to check this project. Also, you can see XDoge with USDT. So soon you can sell your token. Soon you can purchase the token. Even you can start the trading of XDoge. Okay, if we come back to the official website. So what is XDoge? XDoge is a meme coin inspired by the meme craze, offering a unique twist on cryptocurrency. This coin stands out by prioritizing transparency through a carefully planned presale, including liquidity pool, bonds, and contract re-announcement. Beyond a digital asset, XDoge fosters a global community of crypto slots ready to decode meme coin mysteries. So join the XDoge revolution for a new era of transparency and dedicated interview in the crypto world. If we check the economics of the project, so for the public 25%, for the ecosystem 35%, for decentralized and centralized liquidity 40%. Okay, so the total supply is only 5 trillion. Blockchain, Binance Smart Chain, this is the token address. Although you can check more details in here, like for the public sale, as I told you, we have 25%, which is about 1.2 trillion. And then we have decentralized and centralized liquidity, which is about 2 trillion. And then we have about ecosystem, which is about 1.7 trillion. So in order to buy the tokens, so marketing will be 2%, buyback wallet 1%, liquidity 1%. So a tax sell it means that transaction sell marketing 3%, buyback wallet 1%, liquidity 1%. So maximum round trip tax 25%, maximum transaction 1%. But if you check the roadmap of this project, there are three phases. So the first one is about the launching of the project, and then CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, 1,000 holders, get XDoge trending on X.com. Okay, first is about community partnerships with XDoge, formation of token, get a Discord group, and then XDoge a place for holders. So centralized listing is coming soon if we complete 10,000 holders. Phase 3 is about XDoge merge, XDoge Academy, XDoge tools, TI exchange listing. Once we complete 100,000 holders. So meme takeover. Of course, this project can take over, I can say, some of the meme project. There are lots of meme projects. If you go to CoinMarketCap, if you visit the meme category, so you can find lots of meme projects. So I can say XDoge can flip some of a meme project because this is the Twitter Dogecoin. Elon Musk support Dogecoin. Elon Musk support Twitter, and then Twitter can accept Dogecoin as a payment method. So this project can be. Who know about the future? Because in the future, this project can give you 10x profit, even 100x profit. We don't know about a pre-sale project. Pre-sale project, high risk with high reward. So don't forget to check its Telegram account. In here, you can see total members, 11,000. Inside this, you can find all the details about this project. You can join the group in here. Make sure to just join it, and then don't forget to just follow its official Twitter account. Even if you check the white paper, inside the white paper, you can find each and everything about this project. I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purpose. So make sure to check this project. I know this project can give you profit. Even if Dogecoin give you profit, if other meme coins, so of course this project also can give you profit. That's why before investment, do your own research. However, you can find each and everything inside the white paper. So this is all about XDoge, the new project, the pre-sale project. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. So share your thoughts about this project. What do you think about the XDoge? Even what do you think about the Twitter account? Because Twitter is going to accept Dogecoin as a payment method. So this video is all about XDoge. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to smash the like button. If still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye. See you.